frustration of life. So thus furthering, prepare the people to receive God's gospel of grace. It continues for 5 months. Notice, 5 months. 5 being the number of grace. So during this ordained period of time, worldwide grace is going to be available for all people, while the demons will undoubtedly conduct themselves at an unparalleled, unprecedented effort to hinder the gospel from being received. That's what it is. That's what they're doing. And their torments is like, the torment of the scorpion when it strikes a man, and we know that scorpions sting. The result is seldom fatal. You can be bitten by a scorpion and not really die, but it will sting. However, the pain is unbearable. So this is what it will do to people. It will just torment people for 5 months. And in verse 6, we learn that men will try to kill themselves just to alleviate the scorpion-like emotional trauma. So such agony basically will also result from the indecision of whether or not to accept the gospel that is going to be, heard, or whether they'll receive Christ or whether they're going to remain obstinate, stubborn, and to the peace that God is giving. Matthew 19:22, the rich young ruler, remember, he wants to follow God. He wants to follow Jesus, but he left very, very sorrowful after his inability to decide to follow Jesus completely. Because why? He doesn't want to part with his riches.